As you can imagine, not all sort algorithms are the same. Some require less space, some require less time, some require less data movement. One of these sorting algorithms, the sublist sort, we're going to demonstrate here today. Okay, we would like to sort these playing cards in ascending order using the sublist sort. So we're going to start by looking for sorted sublists. So king, ace, no, there's no ace there, 9, jack. Now, the next number is a 5. So now we have two sorted sublists, one that has a single element, one that has two. From these, I take the smallest of the two, then the next smallest, then the next, and now this sublist is sorted. Okay. 5, ace, okay, that's one sublist. 6, just by itself. Okay, so this sublist, this one right here, which one's the smallest? 5, then 6, then ace. Now that sublist is sorted. Now 5, 2, 3. Okay, 5 is one sublist, 2, 3 is another. 2 is the smallest, then 3, then 5. Okay, that's one round. Now do the same thing again. 9, jack, king. Okay, we have 3 elements in this sublist. Good. 5, 6, ace. We have 3 elements in this sublist. Smallest, next smallest, next smallest, next smallest, next smallest, next smallest. Now this sublist is sorted. Good. And 5, 2. Okay, there's no sublist after it, so it's done. One final round. 5, 6, 9, jack, king, ace. That is one sublist. And 2, 5, 2, 3, 5 is another. Okay. Which one's smallest? This one. Next smallest. This one. Next smallest. Doesn't matter which I choose. Next smallest. This one. Then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. Okay. Now, hopefully, my entire hand is sorted. Okay, I like to use a sublist sort, in this case on a collection of numbers. So I'm looking for a sorted sublist. There's no one larger than 90. There's no one larger than 49. So I'll take these two numbers, the smaller of the two, the smaller of the two. Okay. There's no one larger than 19. There's no one larger than 12 on the right. Oh, there is. There we go. So now I have a sublist of size 1, the sublist of size 2, the smaller of the two, the smaller of the two, 52, 38, smaller of the two, 31, 26 to 31, smaller of the two, doesn't matter which I choose, and then 11 and 9, smaller of the two, smaller of the two. Okay, now I'm going to go up. I'm looking for a sorted sublist. 49 and 90 is a sublist. 12, 19, 79 is a sublist that's sorted. Smaller of the two, smaller of the two, smaller of the two, smaller of the two. And then this one. 38 to 52 is a sublist that's sorted. 26 to 31 is a sublist that's sorted. Smaller of the two, smaller of the two, smaller of the two. And once one list is depleted, the other list goes straight up. This guy is a sublist and there's no one over here, so it just goes up. Okay. Now I'm looking for a sorted sublist, and this time it's much bigger. And I'm looking for a sorted sublist, and this one's much bigger. Smaller of the two is the 12. Smaller of the two is the 19. Smaller of the two is 26. Smaller of the two is 31. Smaller of the two is 31. 38. 49. 52. And then 79 and 90. This is a sorted sublist. There's no one on the right, so I just bring it down. Okay, now this whole thing is a sorted sublist, and this one's a sorted sublist. I'm looking for the smaller of the two, which happens to be 9. Smaller of the two happens to be 11. there's no one on the right-hand side, so this one comes up verbatim. And now, when I'm finished, my list will be completely sorted. How do we know it's sorted? I went from 2 sorted sublists to 1. And that's a sublist sort. Okay, so I like to sort this list in alphabetical order. So I'm looking for sublists that are already in order. So J, man is after J, man, and is before man, so therefore J and man are one sublist. Ant, bat, ram, yak, elk, elk's before yak, but the rest of them are in order. So now we have 2 sorted sublists. Okay, so I like to combine them. So I take the smallest of J and man, which is J, take the smallest of ant through yak, which is ant. So your ant is before J, so it goes first, and then comes bat, and then comes J, and then comes man, and then comes ram, and then comes yak. Now notice how it's really easy to combine these 2 sorted sublists. I go from left to right and take the smallest of the 2. Okay, my next sort of sublist, elk, by itself because dog is before elk, and then dog, then owl, that's just 2. So what's the smallest of dog and elk? It's going to be dog, and then comes elk, and then comes owl. Okay, next, cat, and then fox, then bee, nope, just cat and fox, bee, then cow, then elk, then pig, then ape, oop, not ape, so just pig. Okay, so what's the smallest? It goes bee, and then cat, and then cow, and then elk, and then fox, and then pig. Okay, next, ape, gnu, yes. Emu, ray, but not rat, okay. Smallest is ape, and then emu, and then gnu, and then ray, okay. Rat, and then cod, nope, just rat. And then cod and fly, they're in order, okay. Of these 2, cod goes first, and then fly, and then rat. Okay, I have finished a pass. Now notice there's more than 2 sublists on the row above, therefore I have to do another round. The next round, ant, bat, jay, man, ram, yak, okay. It's really easy to find these because there's just 2 sublists right above it. And then dog, elk, owl. Let's see, your ant goes first, and then bat, and then dog, and then elk, and then jay, and then man, and then owl, and then ram, and then yak. Okay, now that's sorted. So your bee, cat, cow, elk, fox, pig, then ape, emu, gnu, ray. Okay, let's see, here it goes. Ape first, and then bee, and then cat, and then cow, and then elk, and then emu, and then fox, and then gnu, and then pig, and then ray. Now the next one is already just one list. Since it has no one to the right, I just bring it down. Okay, now my next sorted sublist, let's see here, it's going to go at through yak, and then ape through ray, and then the smallest is going to be ant, and then ape, and then bat, and then bee, and then cat, and then dog, and then so on. Then next, cod, fly, rat. I just bring it on down because there's no one to the right. Okay, so notice I had 3 sublists above before, so I have to do at least 1 more round. And so this round is going to be ant through yak, and then cod through rat. And let's see here, it's going to go ant, ape, bat, bee, cow, and then cod, and then dog, and so on. And now I'm finished. I have a sorted list.